Hey, what's up guys, and welcome back to Project Time Garage. So I'm an absolute geek, a nerd when it comes to oddball things, things you don't see a lot of, but you remember them when you see them. Since I grew up in the late 80s through early 90s, a lot of this cool technology was just starting to come in. And, you know, with all the 70s and 80s stuff that I've got here, I keep my eyes open for period things that are related to automobiles. And I forgot that I had what I'm going to show you here in a second. I bought this probably 10 years ago or so and put it away and actually forgot I had it. And I actually stumbled across some more stuff too. I'll do videos on some of this other stuff later. But anyway, let me show you what we're dealing with here. This is cool. Hey, also, if any of you guys out there happen to have any cassette tapes that you don't care about anymore and you're willing to part with them, do me a favor and let me know. Just shoot me a quick email. I'll leave my email down in the description below. I'm still kind of building that motif for some of these 80s cars. I think it'd be super cool to display a few cassette tapes and, you know, one of those old school brown looking fake leather briefcase things that we all had back then. I think that'd be super cool. So anyway, I've long since gotten rid of all my cassette tapes for some reason. Probably when I switched over to CDs, you know, Milli Vanilli and all. So anyway, shoot me an email if you got some cassette tapes. I may take them off your hands. Anyway, on with the show. So, those of you guys who were driving in the mid to late 80s will remember the Escort Radar Detectors. Now they still make Escort Radar Detectors, I think probably even today. Check this out. This is the original Escort from Cincinnati Microwave. Original case, original owner's manual, power cord, and another power cord. In addition, we have the visor mount for it, and this thing's in just awesome shape. It even still has the original spare fuse and spare bulb on this thing. I gave 20 bucks for this thing a long time ago. It's not worth 20 bucks to use today because it wouldn't be very effective, but it's 20 bucks worth of cool, that's for sure. And there you go, 1986 Cincinnati Microwave. So I'm thinking, man, what can I do with that? Too bad I don't have any 80s cars to stick this in, right? 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 Yeah, we got to do that. So, let's start here. Let's package this stuff back up. I just happen to have a booster box there that has a 12-volt outlet on it. I think we should power this bad boy up and listen to it sing its little song. Again, for those of you guys who used these things in the 80s, the sound will be quite familiar. Now, how cool is that? So we're definitely going to stick this in the 1988 Mitsubishi Starion. Figure while we have it out, we could at least take a buzz down the road.
I think that I'm going to actually mount this with the clip that goes on the visor. I don't want to damage my visor, but at the same time, having it sitting up there, I worry more about my dashboard. So what I'll do is this thing has a lot of give to it, so I don't think it'll be too bad on it. There we go. What does that look like? It's not bad. I mean, it's not perfect, but there. Welcome to 1986. And for this, I think I'll just take this and just give it a little bit of slack, and then this plugs in here. And I actually want this cord to be here. I think it adds to the whole vibe, I believe. So let's turn the key on, watch this thing come to life. That is awesome, man. Awesome. Now we have a radar warning receiver. Super cool. So I hope you guys enjoyed that vintage technology segment. As I find more stuff in my stash, I'll drag it out. I'll probably do a few more little short segments like this just because they're so cool. Anyway, appreciate you watching. Don't forget, like, share, subscribe. Leave me some comments down below. Thumbs up, notification bell to be notified when we have new videos out. Tell all your friends about us, and I'll see you next time.